Hey guys, what's up? I am Nikhil from Dope Motions and welcome to this brand new video. Today I have something special lined up for you. In today's video, we will take a look at some of the amazing packs from Aejuice. And guess what? It's Black Friday, so Aejuice is rolling out a massive sale. So I thought, why not share this fantastic deal with all of you? They have got an unbelievable 99% off sale happening right now. I have personally been using Aejuice for over 2 years now, and let me tell you, it's been a complete game changer in terms of time efficiency and content creation. They have some amazing free as well as paid packs, link to which is in the description below. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into After Effects and get started. Alright guys, so here as you can see I have already opened up the Aejuice Pack Manager 4. After you download it, all you have to do is install it, and after you install it you can find it under Windows Aejuice Pack Manager 4 and just launch it and log in your details. So there are a number of different packs that they offer, and I have already covered most of these in my previous videos, but we will take a look at some of the newest addition to the complete library, and they are really amazing. So the first pack that I want to talk about is called the Old Film Constructor. So if I go into search and just start searching Old Film Constructor, basically this pack helps us to achieve this really interesting effects and overlays that we can add on to our videos and make them look really old style, and get that old film clutter look. So let's launch this pack. So here we have the Old Film Constructor, and there are a number of different sections. As you can see, first we have the dust and scratches. So these all are overlays that you can apply on top of your videos and make them look really interesting. Then we have some nice film assets that we can add. Then we have the film burns, and these are really trending these days on Instagram. I use them a lot on my Instagram reels, so you should definitely check them out. Then we have the film frames for horizontal and vertical videos. So these are the horizontal ones and these are the vertical ones, and you can change the size of the display by adjusting this small button right here just to get a better view. Then we have some nice film grains that we can add, film looks, so you can directly apply this ready-made LUTs or color overlays on top of your videos. And these are some really cool film transitions that again you can add on to your videos. So it's really super easy to use. All you have to do is create your composition, and let's see, if I want to add this transition on my videos, I can simply select it and click on import. And boom, there you go. Just in a matter of seconds we have applied this transition. So it's really cool and easy to use. The next pack that I want to talk about is the light sweep transition. So I'll go right here and search for the transition. There we go. So basically, if you are into music videos or fast-paced videos, if you like creating those fast-paced videos, these transitions are going to be super helpful for you because it creates a sense of movement which looks like transitioning from one scene to another, and it looks really cool. So let's jump into the light sweep package, and here we have only one category which consists of 75 different live sweep transitions that you can check out. Again, all the transitions are different in itself, and you can use them to really elevate your videos and make them look really cool. The next pack that I'm going to talk about is called the Noir titles. So these are that old school film titles that you must have seen in some old videos. So if I jump into this, which I've already opened up, you can see we have already seen these kind of titles in maybe 80s, 1980s videos or something like that. And these look really cool if you're working on any video or a short film that requires these kind of animation. We not only get titles, but we also get like alphabets, so you can create your own scene. So we have notable alphabets, and then we have rosters. Then we have backgrounds as well that you can check out. Then we have cast titles. So if you want to add the name of your cast, you can do that using these titles. Then we have end titles, film dust overlays. So again, to give that nice black and white feel to it, we can use the looks combined with film dust. Then we have silent scenes, we have trailer titles, so these can be really cool. And again, using them is super simple. So let's see if I want to add any of the title. Let's add the trailer title 20. So I'll place my time indicator at the very start and I'll select it and click on import. And there we go. Just in a matter of maybe 3 seconds, I think we have added this nice title and it looks very cool. Again, customizing this is also very easy. All you have to do is select the title and then go right here and click on this edit button. So it's going to open up the complete customization panel, so I can retype anything that I want. So let's type found and I'll type in the lost. And there we go, instantly updated into our animation. So it's super easy to customize. You can change the size of the text as well. So I can adjust this. I can maybe change the font if I want to and make some really simple changes. So it's really simple and easy to edit. So you can purchase these pack individually or you can buy them as a bundle, and these pack comes included with I Want It All bundle. So you can grab it today. They have a Black Friday sale going on. Now let's hop on to the next pack and check that out. The next pack I want to talk about is the slime pack. So if I search for slime, you can use this pack in case if you're looking for some slimy stock footages or effects for your videos. In that case, you can use this pack. We get different categories here like the slime and tears. So in case if you are working on any kind of videos like it's a science experiment or something, then you can use these kind of footages in that. We have surface footages as well. Then we have tendrils. So yeah, you can use them. The next pack that I want to talk about is called the lightning pack. And this is, I think, one of my favorite pack because I love Thor. It's my favorite superhero, and you can use these effects to create a similar kind of look. So this pack comes included with a number of different styles of lightning effects. Like we have arcs with no glow. We have lightning that is coming onto the camera. We have at camera without the glow, and a number of different options like atmosphere, beams, clouds, and clusters. So these are really cool. If you're creating a scene which resembles maybe Thor's effect, then definitely this is the pack for you. You can see it's crazy. I think there are almost every kind of what you call it, every kind of lightning effect that I can think of, and it's really amazing. And again, they have two different styles. So one is with glow and one is without. So that is really nice. The next pack that I want to talk about is called movie effects. So this pack contains number of different elements that you can use if you are creating maybe a short film or a sci-fi movie kind of stuff. So in this pack, we get some nice dust overlays. We get embers that are usually used in creating title animations and are very much required most of the time. Then we have some energy effects that can be used for again creating some nice mystical fog or mystical effect. Then we have some shock waves, and we all know that shock waves are literally used in every other title animation to create that nice VFX look. So yeah, then we have some smoke, so you can combine shockwave with smoke to add a nice effect and use it in your videos. So all these effects are a pack of the Tryon digital bundle that you can again check out, link to which is in the description below. The next pack that I want to talk about is from the film VFX bundle, and it's called the Big Pack. So basically, as the name says, Big Pack, this pack contains number of number of explosions which are on a huge scale. So if you want to create a scene which includes showing tremendous huge explosions, then this pack is for you. This pack contains number of different air explosions, big explosions, so you can use that. Then we have building disintegration effects that you can use if you have a scene where a building is collapsing. Then we have dust impacts, meteors, nuclear bomb animations, so in case I don't know if you need that, particle explosions which can be super useful. Then we have shock waves again, but these are different kind of shock waves, so yeah, definitely worth checking out. Then the next pack that I want to show you guys is the magic pack. So basically this pack contains all the kind of effects that looks magical. Maybe if you're a Harry Potter fan or you like effects used in Doctor Strange, then definitely this pack is for you, because this pack contains similar kind of animations that can be used. And you can see it looks very magical, and definitely as the pack says, magic pack. So we have ball energy, we have dark energy, electrical energies. Looks really really cool. Fireballs, and again magic particles, magic shock waves. Looks really cool, and some portals as well. So these are ready-made portals that you can use in your videos itself by just simply selecting them and clicking import. It's that simple to use. And the next pack that I want to show you guys is called the universe pack. So basically this pack contains elements of universe. So in case if you are looking to add any kind of elements that resembles a universe, then definitely you should check this out. We have galaxies, nebulas, we have planets, then we have rings, stars, whatever that you want. So this is again, everything is included with the Film VFX bundle. So these were all the packs that are a part of their huge bundles, which are currently on Black Friday sale. But before we wrap up today's video, I also wanted to mention this amazing After Effects tool that they have launched called the Neon Mind AI. Using this tool, you can easily create AI generated images and videos directly inside of After Effects, and you can select from different presets and even add your own prompts. And trust me, you can do pretty crazy things using this tool, so it's definitely worth checking it out. So that is a wrap for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and comment down below which pack you found super useful. You can also follow me on Instagram at dope.motions and Nikhil Pawar, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.